Hey everyone, this is Jane with Barlow Herbal, and in this video I'm going to cover some great information about a humble little herb called cayenne pepper. Now the information I share with you is not meant to be medical advice. This is just meant to entertain and educate you only. And this is based on my own research, it's my own opinion, and is definitely based on my own experience. I have been using cayenne pepper consistently on a day-to-day basis for a little more than 30 years. I personally take it in capsule form, and I most mornings squeeze a little bit of the tincture into my first quart jar of water that I drink every morning. Just a half dropper full of cayenne pepper, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of apple cider vinegar on some days, and that's my first hydration. Now, cayenne pepper has a lot of really amazing health benefits. In fact, if you were to talk to any herbalists that, in my opinion, are worth their salt, they will tell you that cayenne pepper sits almost at the very top of their list on herbs that they would pick. If they could only pick one or two or three or four or five herbs, cayenne pepper would be in that small group. In fact, many people that I know that practice herbalism, they're naturopaths, cayenne pepper is the #1 herb they would pick because of so many things that it does. So I'm just going to go over a list of things that I love about it. So cayenne pepper is really good for your metabolism. It creates a heat in your body called thermogenesis, which who doesn't want to have a functioning, healthy metabolism? Which your thyroid, your metabolism is dictated by that. This is what keeps our weight healthy. And sometimes it can be as easy as adding a pinch of cayenne pepper to any of the savory dishes that you eat. Now, I'm a person who doesn't like hot, spicy foods, so I am a person who will take it a little bit in my drink in the morning, but then I like to take cayenne pepper in capsule form. I travel with this. To me, this is one of the most important things that I have done for my health over the years is keeping cayenne pepper consistently in my diet as a supplement. And in capsule form, it's super easy because I don't have to take the heat because I'm super sensitive to heat, but I can get the benefits in capsule form. And I've even reached a point where I don't even feel it anymore when the capsule dissolves in my stomach and I take it on an empty stomach. It doesn't bother me. It's not uncomfortable. My system is so good and nourished with it that I actually love the feel of it. So, metabolism. Now, another thing cayenne pepper is really good for is pain relief. In fact, I'm going to put a recipe below this video on a really easy skin salve you can make to go after inflammation, like say you have arthritis pain, say you have muscle aches and pain, where you can rub it on and you will feel it. It's an analgesic where you can feel it go after inflammation and pain because it has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties as well. Now, cayenne pepper is also really, really good for cardiovascular health. And this is one of the main reasons that I started taking it when I started taking it over 30 years ago, is because as I was learning about it, I realized that there are some main issues that human beings have as they walk through this life, and brain and heart, especially heart health, heart disease, heart issues, stroke, all the things that tend to happen as human beings, from my perspective, can be prevented, even on a level taken out of an acute situation with the humble little cayenne pepper. So as I started researching this, I thought, oh my goodness, why would I not want to put cayenne pepper into my daily diet? And I first started to use it on my food. And then I was just like, you know what? I'm not enjoying this, and I'm not going to keep doing it because I don't enjoy the heat. And so then I would get 4 ounces of fresh organic cayenne pepper powder. I would get some empty veggie caps, and then I would sit, and in the evening, I would pack up enough cayenne pepper for a month or 2 months, and then I would take the capsules every single day. Now, I still do that, but I make my own capsules through Barlow Herbal. We add some cinnamon and slippery elm, but the main thing in these cayenne capsules, we call it Heart Love, is cayenne pepper. So it's super easy to take. Now, the thing that I also love is that it will go after an ulcer. So if you think about what it does for your digestion, and this is where you might think, oh, that's counterintuitive. Why would it go in? Wouldn't it irritate an ulcer? And I have a couple of friends, I have a few family members, people over these decades I've been using it, that I have gotten on cayenne pepper to help them with an ulcer. And a couple of them, within a few days, there was a difference. So when cayenne pepper goes into the stomach in capsule form, and I would suggest for me and the people I've suggested it for on an empty stomach, basically the capsule will dissolve and cayenne pepper nourishes the lining of your stomach. And I've personally seen it heal an ulcer for a couple of friends and a few family members. This is how powerful this herb is. It's such a humble little herb and it is so powerful. So obviously it's very, very good for digestion because of what it does for the lining of your stomach. Now, the cardiovascular piece, as far as the heart, it's also what's known as a vasodilator. So it helps keep the plaque out of your arteries. It's got some natural blood thinning properties. And it's just one of those things that, like I said earlier, if you think about it, your heart is one of those organs that is so common. Heart disease is so common. Now, there's other factors involved, lifestyle factors like exercise and other things that you might eat. But I've personally seen some very powerful things happen in an acute situation with a heart, and a glass of water with a teaspoon of cayenne pepper stirred in, and then maybe off to the emergency room when there's a heart situation. And I have seen with my own eyes miraculous things that I just don't think that we're taught enough about cayenne pepper. So that cardiovascular is one of the main reasons I love it. Now, it's also really good for cancer prevention because of all the antioxidants and the fact that it does have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. And if you think about inflammation, that is a main contributor to cancer, almost any type of cancer. So if you're able to keep inflammation down, move out free radicals because of all the antioxidant properties of cayenne pepper, that's just another good reason to add it into your nutritional routine. Now, I also love what it does for skin health. And this is partly too because it improves circulation and it also improves collagen production, which is a main key component to keeping your skin healthy. And a lot of people might not realize that. You think, well, we've got to, make sure we eat collagen and supplement with collagen, which that is actually something I do as well. I've been doing that for probably about 5 or 6 years now. I take a daily scoop of collagen in my tea every morning. But along with that, I take my cayenne pepper supplements as well. So cayenne is really good for skin health. It's also really good to boost your immune system. So think about this: metabolism, pain relief, cardiovascular health, digestive health. It boosts your immune system. It can help you in preventing and fighting off cancer. And it's really good for your skin. So there's so many reasons to take this humble little herb and add it into your daily routine. Now, I'm going to put, like I said, below this video, a little recipe for some skin salve that you would use for inflammation and pain that has cayenne pepper in it. Super easy. It's also either really easy to get or make your own tincture of cayenne pepper. Now, all that being said, at the very bare minimum, I would suggest, especially if you love spicy foods, is adding cayenne pepper to all of the foods that would seem like a good fit for it. Most savory foods. So any of your dishes, your meat dishes, your vegetables, anything that you think would be a nice addition. In fact, there's a chocolate that I think adds cayenne pepper to the chocolate. And you can add it to sweet foods as well to add a little kick to it. You can also grow cayenne pepper in your garden. And we actually grow cayenne, but it's seasonal. So we have to plant new plants every year because I live in a very cold in the winter climate. And if you live in, cayenne pepper loves warmth and it loves heat, and it needs about 6 to 8 hours daily of direct sunlight to thrive. So that whenever we put any type of peppers, but especially cayenne peppers, in our garden in the summer, we always plant it in a place where it's going to get full sun almost all day long. So cayenne pepper in a pot can be really a good way to move it around. You can put it in a greenhouse if you have it. But if you live in a place where you are in warmth most of the year, then you should be able to have a thriving cayenne pepper plant or multiple plants in your yard. So what I would suggest you do is do some more of your own due diligence, because cayenne pepper is something that you've probably used. Maybe you don't use it a lot on your foods because you're like me. You have really sensitive taste buds and maybe you don't like hot, spicy foods. I know that when I eat cayenne pepper or other spicy peppers, I literally cannot taste the food because it just numbs out my taste buds and I don't enjoy it at all. So cayenne pepper in supplement form is a really great way to go. So I would love to know what you think about cayenne pepper and its amazing component capsaicin that gives it its power. If you're using this every day like me, I'd love to know. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll see you next time.